Have you ever stood in front of the mirror, noticing your skin just isn't what it used to be, and let out a sigh? The fine lines near your eyes, the sunspots and dark patches on your hands. No one may say anything, but deep down, it affects your confidence. I used to think that once youth fades, so does the skin, and there's nothing to be done. But it turns out, there is a way. A gentle, simple method right from our everyday kitchen. And today, I want to share that with you. This video introduces a natural skincare method. Very gentle, very simple. But if applied correctly and consistently, even after just 1 week, you'll notice smoother, brighter skin. More importantly, you'll feel better every time you look in the mirror. I'm not promising miracles, just a small change that can bring a positive shift to your daily life. The ingredient I'm talking about is kudzu root starch, arrowroot powder, a familiar item in Vietnamese kitchens, often used as a cooling drink. But few know it contains isoflavones, a natural antioxidant that soothes the skin, supports female hormones, and slows aging from within. When the liver is cooled, the gut is clean, and hormones are balanced. The skin reflects that harmony, less dullness, fewer breakouts, and a more even tone. Even better, when kudzu starch is combined properly with other gentle ingredients, it not only detoxifies the body, but also helps stimulate collagen production, maintaining skin elasticity, smoothness, and minimizing signs of aging. So if you're looking for a simple, effective, and non-toxic skincare method that doesn't break the bank, I invite you to spend a few minutes watching this video. Who knows? Maybe something as small as 1 cup of kudzu a day can bring more comfort and transformation than you expected. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can meet again in future videos. I wish you and your family good health, peace of mind, and a natural radiance from the inside out. Now, let me show you a simple skincare recipe using kudzu powder. Easy to make at home, but with clear results if done right. Many people ask how to use kudzu powder to truly make the skin smoother and healthier each day. The key lies in 3 common ingredients, but most importantly, in the right dosage, the right combination, and the right timing when the body absorbs best. When done right, your skin responds gently, not with noise or speed, but with steady, natural vitality. First, take 1 tablespoon of pure kudzu starch, about 10 to 12 grams. Choose powder that is off-white, with a mild scent, and no impurities. Kudzu contains isoflavones, which are natural antioxidants that soothe the skin, reduce mild irritation, and most importantly, slow skin aging. Next, add 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt, about 5 grams. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a mild form of AHA that helps exfoliate dead skin cells without damage, while lightly moisturizing the skin. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon of pure honey, also about 5 grams. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, is rich in enzymes and vitamins, nourishes the skin, brightens dull areas, and boosts elasticity. When these 3 are blended, you'll get a smooth, lightly fragrant, and very gentle mixture. This mask not only hydrates, but also revives skin stressed by pollution, weather, or aging. If your skin is strong, you can add 3 to 5 drops of fresh lemon juice, but do not use it if your skin is sensitive or irritated, as the acidity can cause discomfort or make the skin more sun-sensitive. Once your mixture is ready, cleanse your face thoroughly with warm water, then gently apply the mask, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 minutes, rinse with warm water, and pat dry with a soft towel. You may apply a light layer of moisturizer if your skin feels dry, or just leave it bare to rest. The best time to apply is in the evening, after your skin has endured the day. Use only 2 to 3 times a week, not daily, to avoid over-thinning the skin's natural barrier. Let me repeat, do not use this mask if you have dermatitis, red inflamed acne, extremely weak skin, or open wounds. Every skin type has its own rhythm for healing, so the key is not to rush, but to understand what your skin needs. Skincare is not about becoming perfect. It's about feeling lighter and more in love with yourself each day. Try this regularly, and you'll see. Skin truly appreciates your gentle patience. Dear friends, kudzu powder is not only great for soothing and brightening skin on the outside, it also offers incredible benefits when used internally. It's one of the rare ingredients that both nurtures the skin and helps detoxify the body, balance hormones, and slow aging gently and effectively. Caring for skin externally is the first step, but for long-lasting, healthy, even, radiant skin, we must nourish from within: liver, gut, hormones, and even our mental state. And right from that familiar kudzu powder, if prepared and consumed the right way each day, your skin won't just glow, but your mind will be lighter, sleep deeper, and your hormones will gradually balance over time. Now, here are 3 easy ways to drink kudzu starch to support skin beauty, balance hormones, and promote internal health, especially suitable for women in midlife and beyond. First method: kudzu with honey and warm water. Among all the methods I use, the simplest and most effective is mixing kudzu with honey and warm water. Just take 1 teaspoon of pure kudzu starch, put it in a cup, pour in about 200 milliliters of warm water at 40 degrees, 140 degrees. Stir until fully dissolved, then add 1 teaspoon of pure honey and drink while it's still warm. Kudzu helps cool the liver, gently detox the body, and reduce internal heat, a common cause of dull skin, hidden acne, and hormone imbalance. Honey, with its natural antibacterial qualities, aids digestion, nourishes the blood, and brightens the skin when taken regularly. Warm water allows the nutrients to dissolve and absorb smoothly, without shocking the stomach. Use this method in the morning, about 30 minutes after waking, or in the afternoon when your stomach is light. Don't drink on an empty stomach, and avoid using water that's too hot, as it can destroy the nutrients in honey. Be consistent, and you'll see brighter skin, better sleep, and a lighter digestive system, without medicine or cosmetics. Like everything in life, true beauty doesn't come from complicated methods, but from patience and truly understanding your body. 1 warm glass of kudzu a day. Simple, but if timed right and used consistently, it becomes a gentle remedy for your skin, liver, and even your spirit. And if you'd like to change up the flavor while keeping the same benefits, you can try kudzu with fresh orange juice. I often squeeze 1 fresh sweet orange to get about 150 ml of pure juice. Then mix in 1 teaspoon of kudzu starch. Stir until fully dissolved. No need to heat or add anything else. Just make sure both the orange and kudzu are clean and high quality. Orange juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps the body absorb collagen better, boosts immunity, and naturally brightens the skin. Combined with kudzu, which is cooling and contains isoflavones that help balance hormones, this drink supports both detox and nourishment. It's especially helpful for those with dull, lifeless skin due to stress or poor sleep. I usually drink this in the morning, about 30 minutes after breakfast, or around noon on a hot day. It's refreshing, soothing, and won't cause bloating. Just avoid drinking on an empty stomach or storing it overnight, since fresh orange juice ferments quickly and loses its benefits. Every time I finish a glass like this, I feel calmer and more relaxed. I truly believe beauty comes from simple things like this. No need for excess, just the right things, at the right time, in the right way, and consistently each day. Series 3. Kudzu root starch with unsweetened milk for better sleep and skin regeneration. Aside from fresh orange juice, there's another combination I love using at night: kudzu root starch mixed with unsweetened milk. I warm about 100 ml of unsweetened milk, just slightly warm, not boiling, just enough to make it pleasant to drink. Then I add 1 teaspoon of kudzu starch, stir until fully dissolved, and slowly sip it. You can also add a slice of dried apple or a few thin slices of licorice root to enhance the flavor gently and naturally. This method is especially suitable for those with dry skin, prone to dehydration, or who struggle with sleep at night. Milk provides light protein, calcium, B vitamins, and essential minerals, all of which nourish the skin from the inside. Kudzu, on the other hand, helps calm the nerves, gently detoxify the liver, and balance hormones. When combined, this drink not only promotes better sleep, but also supports deeper skin regeneration while you rest. I usually drink it about an hour before bed, when my stomach isn't too full. It soothes the body, eases the mind, and by morning, I often wake up with softer skin and less tension in my eyes. It's a very subtle kind of skincare. No fuss, no trips to the spa, no expensive cosmetics, yet its results last, if you stick to it. People often ask me why I choose such simple things. I just smile and say, because our bodies don't need complicated solutions. All they need is for us to understand them, listen, and give them what's natural and timely, the right way. Something as small as a cup of kudzu can ease an entire day's stress, if done right. Dear friends, while kudzu starch is generally gentle and easy to drink, especially when combined with honey or orange juice, it's not ideal for everyone. If you tend to have a cold constitution, often feel chilly, have cold hands and feet, frequent bloating or diarrhea, it's best to limit or carefully consider using kudzu. Its natural cooling effect, if taken at the wrong time or in excess, can lead to bloating, digestive discomfort, or a general sense of fatigue you might not immediately notice. In particular, women during menstruation, new mothers, people with low blood pressure, or those recovering from illness or currently under medical treatment should be extra cautious. At these times, the body needs warmth and stronger circulation, and adding something cooling like kudzu might slow recovery, lead to insomnia, or prolonged tiredness. With the kudzu and orange juice combo, while it's beneficial for skin and immunity thanks to the vitamin C, it should not be consumed on an empty stomach, especially for those with sensitive digestion, acid reflux, or easily chilled stomachs. Orange juice has a light acidity, and when mixed with cooling kudzu, it may cause bloating, nausea, or sour burps in people with weak digestion. Anyone taking antibiotics, pregnant or postpartum, should consult a professional before using it regularly. When starting out, it's best to use a small amount, drink it after a light meal, and observe how your body reacts over the next few days. Everyone's body is different. What works for one may not suit another. The key is to listen carefully to your body. Does it feel lighter, more comfortable? Take it slowly and gently, and your body will reward you with natural healing. No forcing needed. Dear friends, I know modern life is hectic. Sometimes we forget that just setting aside a little time each day to listen to our bodies, care for our skin, and nurture our health with small things, like a warm cup of kudzu, a clean meal, or restful sleep, is already more than enough. Taking care of ourselves isn't about turning back the clock to our 20s. It's about living peacefully, staying healthy, and feeling confident in our own skin, because we deserve it. I hope today's sharing helps you find a method that suits your body, something natural, gentle, and safe. If you found this video helpful, I'd love for you to subscribe so we can continue connecting through more meaningful content. Feel free to leave a comment if you'd like me to share more recipes tailored to your own needs. I always read and reply sincerely. Wishing you and your family good health, peace, and lasting radiance. In your eyes, your smile, and your spirit. Because when the mind is calm, the skin glows too.